Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. Rich Tehrani here. Thanks for watching. We're at IT Expo West 2012. We are in Austin, Texas. On our program is Bob Bai, President and CEO of nGenx. Bob, welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks, Rich.
So why don't we start at the top and telling us about nGenx and what your company does.
Yeah, nGenx is a provider of hosted virtual desktops and virtual applications from the cloud, specifically to the SMB market. We're a little bit different because we're channel focused. We sell entirely through channel, either through white label or agent channel, as opposed to web direct to businesses.
So you've got some exciting news, which I tweeted earlier, and I'm curious if you could just share with us what that news is.
Yeah, absolutely. We just launched a new SMB focused virtual desktop that features QuickBooks at the hub. So now, instead of getting your version of QuickBooks loaded locally, you can buy it from us as a subscription on a per user per month model. Combine that with Microsoft Office, hosted Exchange email, and perhaps some other line of business applications, and have everything that the small business needs in the cloud available to them from a PC, Mac, Android, or iPad.
Awesome. So a lot of interest in the cloud from the small to medium business. So that's actually a great segment of the market to focus on.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, small and medium-sized businesses typically don't have a huge IT staff. We can augment that IT staff, bring to them a 24/7 help desk, so that they don't have to worry about their IT folks being on vacation. They can always have somebody to call. We back up all of their data. We provide all the updates to all the Microsoft and QuickBooks software. So we do the heavy lifting, if you will, for that IT department, so they can focus on more strategic items.
Now, how do you differentiate from the competition?
Well, we've been in business since 2000. We've been doing it for a long time. We're a Microsoft Gold partner. We're the largest Citrix CSP in the country. So we've got a lot of capability. We have some of the top minds in the application hosting area on our staff, some of the real thought leaders on our staff. So there is a war for talent out there, and I think we've done a good job of attracting a lot of that top talent so that we could support our SMB customers.
Now, your focus is on resellers, or when you have to look at your market, where do you focus your efforts mostly?
Yeah, so we focus on the channel. So particularly our biggest area is our white label channel. So if a software vendor wants to sell a cloud product, but they don't have the money to rewrite their entire code, they could use our platform and then sell their software over it. Or a telco or an MSP that wants to get in this business could sell our service as their own. And it's a fully brandable portal, so it provides everything that they need to do. They can bill their own customer using their own billing system with APIs that we provide. They can provision their own users on our control panel, add users, delete users, add services, remote wipe of email account or whatever they would need to do. They can do that all on their own from our platform.
Now, on the platform, what other services are there? You mentioned accounting, but what other kinds of things?
So we have Microsoft Office, we have hosted Exchange, and then we take the customer's own line of business applications and we can port those up. The customer-owned licenses, we can port those up into our cloud. We also have several ISV customers that utilize our platform, and we can put their software on there. Typically in the construction or legal verticals, we have some software titles in that area.
So what's next for the company?
Well, next for the company is we're looking to add more software vendors into our catalog. We're looking to build our catalog and make it more relevant to a bigger swath of the audience, and then that would attract more partners and have this virtuous cycle of a bigger market to reach, as well as a larger catalog for that market to reach. So we're well on our way to getting that accelerated first by adding QuickBooks, and then looking to get into the more vertical applications.
Excellent. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you.